It's absolutely crazy that even in 2025 still a lot of people are buying power strips which are not suitable for their needs actually, because a lot of power strips have a very low power rating of only 1250 watts, and then people are going to use them in the kitchen for high power devices, kitchen machine, coffee maker, or in the bathroom for hair dryers. Definitely not a good idea. So when you want to use high power with a power strip, then you need some really rock solid device, something like this one here, which has a power rating of maximum 2500 watts, which has also a super solid 12 gauge copper wire, has even overload protection of 20 amps. And on top of everything, we have even a super impressive 3600 joule surge protection built in. A lot of power strips these days have still no surge protection, and if they have one, it's usually limited to only 600 or maybe 1000 joules maximum. Here we have a whopping 3600 joules. So you can imagine how much this is. And we have a super solid build. We can already feel that when we are taking this out. Solid metal case, 9 outlets. We get even some screws here because we have these mounting holes here and also on the other side. And you can see this massive wire, 6 feet in length. And so here we have this super solid power strip. Brand is Berigtta. And that's how it looks in the back. Even screwed housing. And so I plug it in here in the back. And so here we have it. You can see we can turn it on and off easily here. And what's also nice that we have these lights here where we get confirmation for the grounding and the surge protection, and the overcurrent protection is activated. So of course we want to check here again to see if we have proper grounding. You can see 2 lights on the right side is correct, not showing that on all the outlets, but here we have it as well. And here on top you can see really all the outlets nicely grounded. What I also like here is that we have spaced them out here a little bit more. For example, for super large power adapters, chargers for some heavy tools in the garage. That's super convenient, very helpful. Yeah, definitely love this power strip. It's absolutely amazing. The most powerful, most solid power strip I've ever had. Definitely going to use this one from now on in my garage. Of course, we don't have an extra built-in GFCI or so. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this power strip, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.